So for this week, I created a simple 3D sphere and I put shader on it. And you basically, when you click on it, it will explode. Um, to achieve this look, I basically have a main shader, which is what you see now, with two texture. The first one is the inner one that's going the upper direction, and the second one that's moving downward, that's the colorful one. To achieve like a oily-ish bubble reflection. I can show you in here. So I basically have these three images. The first one is the outer one. The second one here is when you click, basically switch to a different material and shader and have this picture on it. And the third one is the inner layer. Another thing that I created that helped with the translation is this simple script that basically um, controls the material. And it's basically a check and a loop where, not a loop, but array where you can put in the material here. So that I put in, for my first one is the normal state. And once you click it, it will switch to a exploded stage. I can walk you through a little bit on the shader. So here you have the main texture, the black and white, and the tint, basically the outer layer, and the speed of the movement. You also have the rotation angle right here, where it basically controls the direction where it moves. You can also control it later on down here, tilting and offset. The second shader is a little bit complicated. I found a very helpful tutorial online. I'll put the link on the README text. You can find it there. But basically, it extrudes the face. So let's see, I'll click on it again. Click on it, extrude the face. The reason that I split it into two material and shader because I was trying to when I was trying to do it in one shader, there was some rendering problem where the movement of the first, I mean, basically the texture here, the main texture and the tint texture would not render out once the object is extruded.